would like to tell you that here we will do, because 1 ones are 1, take out the factors of 1 like that. If we are doing minus, we are getting minus 3. So right now this is not possible for us, it will waste our time. So better to do that a is 1, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 1. And start finding d, that is b square minus 4ac. So here I am substituting value of b, that is 3 square 4. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 1. 3 square, that will become 9, and minus minus will make it as plus. So here you just have to write the sign. So it will become plus 4. So d will become 13. Now take root both the sides. If we are taking root both the sides, so under root d will become under root 13. Now here we have to find alpha, that is minus d plus or minus. So plus under root d by 2a. And here I have to find, that is beta, that will be minus b minus under root d by 2a. So here we ended. Now here we just have to substitute the value. So let me substitute over here. So as you can see the value of b, so that is minus 3, under root d, that is under root 13, 2, the value of a, that is 1. So here we are writing 1. So it will become 3 plus under root 13 and 2 ones are 2, that is the value of alpha. Because we can't solve it more because it is in under root. Here we will find beta, that is minus 3, and this will become minus 13 under root 13. 2 and 1. No more change will be there in the answer. Only the change you can find, that is of sign. Here is plus and there will be minus. So this is the introduction, that how we can solve this kind of question. Question number 2, that you have to do as according to this same method, but it is not asking for this year. Question here, as you can see, that denominator is in different form. So let us multiply. So it will become x minus 7, and here it will goes and it will become x plus 4. These both are in multiply. So here we will write x plus 4 in the bracket x minus 7, and here we have to write, that is 11 upon 30. Now here we will solve it. So it will become x minus 7 minus x minus 4. I have opened the bracket. Now here we have to multiply. So it will become x square, that will become minus 7x. It will become plus 4x, and plus minus will become minus, and it will become minus 28. Now here we will solve. One is in plus, one is in minus 7. Minus 7 minus 4 will make minus 11. And if we are solving it, we are getting minus 3x over here, and that will become minus 28. क्योंकि माइनस 7 और प्लस 4 मीन्स ऑपरेशन विल बी ऑफ माइनस, तो हमने माइनस किया और सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर माइनस है, इसीलिए यहाँ माइनस लिखा. नाउ 11 यानी इक्वल्स टू के दोनों साइड अगर कोई इक्वल चीज़ें दिख रही है विच इज़ इन मल्टीप्लाई, सो वी कैन कैंसल आउट, क्योंकि ये यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में इधर डिवाइड में आती तो भी कैंसल होता. सो बेटर आई हैव कैंसल दिस. नाउ आई विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मीन्स 30 आई विल टेक दैट साइड, सो इट विल बिकम minus 30. And let me take this that side, so it will become x square minus 3x minus 28. Now let me shift this that side, so it will become x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30, and that is equals to 0. So here let me complete it. So what I am getting x square minus 3x plus 30 minus 28 will make plus 2, and that is equals to 0. Here we can do splitting the middle term if you wants to do, and here we can solve it by quadratic formula in which a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to 2, and there we have to find d, that is b square minus 4ac. Here I will substitute b square, that will be 3 square, 4, a is 1 and c is 2. So it will become 3 square 9, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8, 1 will remain, the value of d is 1. So under root d will make under root 1, but 1 having square as same. So if it is in under root, it will come out, it will become 1 only. So here let me find alpha. Alpha is minus b plus under root d by 2a. So if I am substituting minus, what is the value of b over there? So that is minus 3 plus 1 by 2, and the value of a is 1. So here I am getting 3 plus 1 by 2. So I am getting 4 by 2, and if I am reducing I am getting 2. Yani the value of alpha, here value of alpha I am getting as 2. So here let me find beta over there. So what I am getting? So beta is equals to minus b minus under root d by 2a. So value of minus b is minus 3, minus under root d is 1, 2 and the value of a is 1. I have substituted all the things. Minus minus will become plus, minus 1 and 2. So it will become 2 by 2. So that is complete it and reduce it by 2 ones are 2. So here alpha we got as 2 and beta we got as 1. So here is the end of this question. You can see the empty board, but here question number 4 is cancel out. We have to directly do question number 5. While you are reading the question, they are giving that Cephal's marks in mathematics and English both together are 30. So here we will guess, let the marks of Cephali in maths as x or mathematics as x, and let the marks of Cephali in English, that we have to guess. तो अगर उन्होंने दिया है that the marks she is getting in maths and she is getting in English, they have given in the statement that it is 30. So here we have guessed the marks of maths as x. तो English के marks हम y के form में guess नहीं करेंगे. So the marks of English will become 30 minus x. So here we will guess it as 30 minus x. Then in the second statement, what they have given, they told us here they are telling us that what we have to do. So here what they are telling us, that if she is getting this kind of mark, so her total will be 210. When her total will be 210, when she is getting 2 more marks in maths and when she is getting 3 marks less in that English, then she will get, and the product of these new marks will make it as 210. So if we are solving it, 30 minus 3 minus x, so 30 minus 3 will make 27 minus x, means when we are taking product of both of these, यानी x plus 2 का और 27 minus x का product लेंगे, तो हमें जो आंसर मिल रहा है that is 210. So please read question properly. So let us solve it. So it will become 27x and that will become minus x square and this will become plus 54 and minus 2x and that is equals to 210, because when you are multiplying this, it will become minus 2x. Now let us solve minus 27x minus 2x. So it will make minus x square, 27 में से 2 minus होगा, so वहाँ पे बच जाएगा plus 25x plus 54 as it is and 210 is as it is. Now we have to shift this that side, क्योंकि x हमारा माइनस में है तो हमारा प्रोसेस नहीं चल रही, तो हम उस साइड लेके जा रहे हैं, तो सारे साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. दिस विल बिकम माइनस. यू कैन सी व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग इट, सो वी आर गेटिंग 25x and here if we are solving, we are getting plus 156, means 156. We have to take out factors of it like that. If we are adding that two numbers, we are getting minus 25. So here we are getting 12 and minus 13x, and when we are multiplying we are getting 156. When we are adding we are getting minus 25. So here what we will take out, 12x we are taking common, so here will be x, here x we are taking common, so what will remain, x minus 12 will remain, minus 13 if we are taking out, so here will remain this. Now if we are writing that one bracket we are getting x minus 12 and in another bracket we have to write this, and that is equals to 0. When we are comparing x minus 12 with 0, x we are getting as 12, and when we are comparing x minus 13 with 0, x we are getting as 13. So here we got two values, so here we have to write this statement that if Shefali got 12 marks in maths, then what she got in English, so she got 30 minus 12 means 18 marks in English. Understood the concept? And if Shefali got 13 marks in maths. Then she got 30 minus 13 marks means 17 marks in English. So here is the concept of this kind of question that we have to do. So please write and please do it properly. I hope you understood.